Hi guys, it's yours truly, Gab DG, and welcome back to my channel. And so this vlog answers some of your questions about me. 10 things or facts about me. And so, meron po akong ginawa ginawa sa Facebook and sa Instagram. I posted a story asking what do you want to know about me. Okay, and I actually screenshot I had a screenshot on this and pinrint ko po ito. So I will be spontaneous as possible para naman maging honest. Super honest tayo this time. And so, before ito, I just want you to know the 10 facts about me. First fact that I want to share with you guys is that my name in my birth certificate, and when it was typed by the nurse, it was misspelled as Gabriel. Gabrielle. And supposedly, wala na po dapat L-E sa last. And so, buti naman na correct na last few years, naging Gabriel instead of Gabriel. Second, speaking of my name, Gabriel was inspired by, of course, Angel Gabriel. Halata ba? It was inspired by Angel Gabriel and Elorde Gabriel Flash Elorde. Yun yung sikat daw na boxer noon. And Elorde po kasi pangalan ng papa ko. So yun. Third, I'm actually a teacher. Yes, you heard it right. I'm a teacher. Lagi na lang ako na pagkakamalang estudyante. Yes, guard, kung saan mang offices, lagi akong hinaharang. Ano pong, hindi po, bawal po dito. Lagi nilang sinasabi ko. Tapos makikita nila ID ko, sabi nila, tingnan ka from head to belt. From head to toe. Ayun, lagi akong napagkakamalan. So that's a fact about me. I'm currently working as a teacher po. And ngayon, syempre, vlogger, teacher, vlogger. Number 5, I really like color green. Pero gusto ko rin naman ng color blue. Pero mas dominant pa rin ng color green. Number 6 fact about me is that I really like fantasy movies. Ayan, may mga fantasy, mga sci-fi, action, adventure. 7 fact about me, corny po ako. Ako po si Mr. Sweet Corn. Napaka-corny ko po mag-joke. I don't know, man. Number 8, I am a dancer, not that professional. I just like dancing with a stranger. And so yun pa, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung mga videos ko sa dancing, just watch. It is on my YouTube channel. And of course, marami pang mga aabangang dance videos ko po. Kasi yun ang mga maraming requests. So, thank you so much for the support. Abangan nyo po yun. Number 9, hindi po ako masyadong kumakain ng seafoods. I don't know why. Siguro kasi nung bata po ako, natinik ako like 3 times. And that, sige, kain ka na ng saging. Pero ang sakit. Kahit kumakain ka ng saging, sakit. The last fact that I want to share with you guys is that I am a nocturnal person. Mas gusto ko po ang gising sa gabi kaysa sa umaga. Ewan ko po. I'm just a nocturnal person. That's it. Pero nasanay lang siguro dahil puyat sa studies, puyat sa work. And kung nabitin kayo, if you really like you. And that's 10 facts about me. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo pa pong magtanong, don't hesitate to comment down below, and maybe next time if I have a chance again to have a vlog regarding myself, I will definitely answer it. But now, let's now proceed to the questions on the Instagram. Sa mga nag-aabang ng kasagutan, andito na po. Okay, first question, let's see. What attracts you to someone, sir? What attracts me to someone is short term. Pag short term, it is really the physical appearance that attracts me. Ayan, yung uy, yung masasabi mong basta nakaka-attract. Yun lang, nakaka-attract. Pero pag long term, what attracts me the most is the attitude. The attitude, the personality. It's really the personality that attracts me the most. Love mo talaga si ano? Ha? Sinong ano? Sige, love ko si ano. Ano ba yan? Skincare. Oh, look at my skin. It's not even being cared. Oh! No. Siguro laging sinasabi ng iba na maganda yung skin ko nung bata-bata pa. Pero ngayon tumatanda na, 'di ba? Medyo nagkakaroon na tayo ng pimples because of the new work that I have right now. But nung sinasabi nila yun na, uy, ba't ang ganda ng skin mo? I actually not having my skincare tulad ng ginagawa ng mga ibang vloggers or beauty enthusiasts na meron silang nilalagay for their faces. Pero yung sa akin kasi it's just hilamos. It's just the water. Ayun. So, pero ngayon, dahil nagkaka-pimples na, I actually used Nivea Men. Tama ba? Nivea or Nivea? Nivea Men. Yung may yung dark, ano. Basta pakita ko ito. Yan. Nahulog siya. Next question. Sir, ba't ka lumipat ng school? Ayan. Sir, ba't daw po ako lumipat ng school? It's my personal decision. Laging tinatanong, bakit? Pangit ba dyan? Pangit sa ganito? As a matter of fact po, sa mga di nakakaalam, nagturo po ako sa SLU, Senior High, at ngayon po, nag-work po ako sa UC College naman po. So, it's really my personal decision to transfer to another school. Ayan. Sino favorite student nyo, sir? Wala akong favorite student. Diba sinabi ko sa inyo na I don't have favorites. I don't practice favoritism. Siguro, ang pinapoint out lang ng question na to is sino yung mga siguro mga known or kilala nagtatatak sa'yo. So yun, marami-rami naman yung magtatatak sa akin. At yung nanonood na ngayon ng mga naging estudyante ko, alam kong kayo yun. Tatatak kayo, basta panoorin nyo to. Who's your BFF student? Ayun nga, related sa question kanina. Meron yung mga student na tatatak sa'yo. Meron yung mga student na as a friend paglabas. Which is, I think, na okay lang naman, professionally still. Kasi kung kahit friend kita, 75 ka naman, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good na makita na ibang tao na, uy, baka kahit ano yun ni sir, usap sa labas or what not, favorite na agad. No, I still practice professionalism. So, who's your BFF student? Ayan, marami-rami rin naman. But then, I will name two. Yan po si Miss Cuevas and si Miss Rhea Martina Tomelden. Ayan, Miss Cuevas and Miss Tomelden. Next, sige sir, ba't mo naisipan mag-vlog? Naisipan ko po mag-vlog again to have a new venture. New thing that I am doing. We want to experience a new thing. And I was really inspired doing vlog because of some many famous vloggers like Benedict Cua, like David Gison, Alex Gonzaga, of course, Lloyd Cadena. Ayan. So, marami-rami nag-inspire sa akin. And of course, yung mga, sino pa ba? Si Andre King. Ayan. Yung mga nag-inspire sa akin na mag-vlog. So, naisipan kong mag-vlog. Bakit wala kayong pimples kahit isa? Ayan o, meron po akong pimple. So, nasagot ko na yung tanong mo. Bali, wala yung tanong mo. Kasi may pimple po. Pero dati nga po, wala daw po akong pimples ni isa. Hilamos lang. Water lang. Do you have special someone? Well, I don't have a special someone. Nahanap mo na si The One, Gabby Bear. Gabby Bear po kasi yung tawag sa akin nung high school. Well, unfortunately, hindi pa. Pero alam kong darating din siya sa tamang panahon. Pakilala ko sa'yo. Kailan ka magkakajowa? Bakit ako tinatanong mo dapat ikaw? Kailan ka magkakajowa? Hahaba. O naman, hindi pa hahaba. Habang buhay. Haba. Bakit haba? Mahaba pa ang panahon para dyan sa mga bagay na yan. What makes you happy, sir? What makes me happy? Genuine happiness, of course, yung makita yung family ko. Mama ko, papa ko, ate ko, dalawang ate ko na masaya. Ayan. Sir, bakit ka po nag-marketing? Nag-marketing ako, I first chose business management. Pero nung given the chance na maging president ako for Marketing Journey Executives, I grabbed the chance. Nag-shift ako sa marketing. And I really find it a flexible course. Bakit ang suplado mo? Sarap pa man din sana. First impression kasi sa akin, suplado, masungit. Pero that's just my first impression. Or not my first impression. Your first impression. No? Kasi yung tindig, yung kung maglakad, tapos kung titingin, hindi namamansin. Kasi hindi naman pa kita kilala. So, pero hindi po ako suplado kasi napaka-friendly ko pong tao. Pero masarap naman ako. Yeah, I can guarantee. Whoa! And last, are you still single? Yes, I am single. So, sa mga gusto pa pong magtanong, just comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Just press the red button below. Bye. Thank you.